Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is December 15th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, so Tesla seemed to be rebounding very well today. So we are up $17.48. That's good for 1.82%. We closed at 975.99. And the post-market, we are up $1.57. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. So we have a green candle, and we had the low at 930 like we had yesterday. Basically, this is a double resistance. We have a main resistance at 956. But now we extended ourselves. Sometimes this happens. We have a support, we have a resistance, and it's been touched several times. But then at some point, the stock goes beyond a little bit and then come back in. This is what I call a double resistance. So we have a double support in this case. So 930 is a double support. So we went and touched that 930 again. And we have a longer wick at the bottom, so showing some buying pressure towards the end of the day. And we have no wick at the top, so no selling pressure at all. So that's interesting. And we close back above 956. We close back above 956. Just like yesterday, we closed yesterday at 958. We are back into this descending triangle. We are back into it. I would still wait for a break of 985 to show that we are maybe going back up towards this resistance right here. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So on the 1 hour chart, we have a little bit more details. 930, we opened below 956, went super high, went up to 973. Look at that. But then we're squished back down. So the stock was not ready at that point. It was not ready at that point. We had selling pressure. Then we were pushed down towards 930, down to 930. And then the buyers showed up. The buyers showed up with, look at this nice green candle with this super long wick. The buyers were squished down at that point, but then they won over. So they won and they broke 973. I had this resistance at 968. I added the resistance at 973. This is a double resistance. I like to do it when there's one resistance that hugs the body of the candles and the other one is more towards the end of the wick. We closed at 974 above 973. And let me put this in green with the text of. And for the last candle of the day, we came back down a little bit, but closed also again. So we have two close above 973. This is a very good sign. We have a long wick at the bottom here showing again buying pressure. And look at our stochastic. So when we had this move here yesterday at around 230, stochastic was not there and the stock came back down. Now stochastic is at 62. So now we can start thinking about the stock going and breaking this downward resistance. This is very important to take a look at this tomorrow, see if we can break this during the day. So if we break this during the day, if we move closer to this and we have stochastic that's higher and we break outside of it, then for me, that would be enough of a signal to start going long and hopefully go back and reach 11 something, 1125, 1130 in that realm. So nice turnaround for Tesla on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, we still have not turned around yet. We are still quite low on the stochastics and we are still trending down on the RSI. But we have a little bit of a move up right here. So we might see a move on the 1 hour chart and that move might allow you to make some money and then the stock might be going back down a little bit. And then on the second move on the 1 hour chart, then the indicators on the daily chart will have changed, hopefully enough so that we can get in on the daily chart. So if you want to trade on the 1 hour chart, I would look at tomorrow very closely to see if we break that resistance. If you prefer trading on the daily chart, then you would have to wait a little bit until things move a little bit more. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.